salvage spare equipment, and recruit volunteers for the cause. These activities can be accessed with the assistance of specialist NPCs. Oh, okay. Your current and future party members will also be present here. Okay. It's a bit quiet. Alright, that's what I thought. Believe. Yeah, here we go. There we go. Much better. So, I want to talk to these gamers. The recruiter allows you to enlist volunteers. Volunteers are not as capable as your unique insurgents. For instance, they cannot rank up and always join the team with random characteristics. They allow you to fill gaps in your team composition and stand in for wounded characters during their recovery. Oh, that's helpful. I don't believe I want one. Thank you. Here you can see your character's attributes, traits, equipped, skills, and weapons. If you wish to adjust your equipment or skill set, proceed to the corresponding tabs. To equip a skill, just press the left mouse button on it, silly. Skills marked with a red background are weapon skills. These are meant to deal damage and will consume ammunition. The available skills will change depending on the equipped weapons. Oh, like in Guild Wars. To equip a weapon, press the left mouse button on the weapon you wish to equip. And that shizzle will do that shizzle on my nizzle. By completing missions, your party might obtain commendations. This shared resource can be used to promote your characters to higher ranks. Each character can rank up 3 times, and every time they do so, they gain 1 ability from a choice of 2. Note that the order of receiving these set is not constant, and will vary in each playthrough. Additionally, some character rank ups will also grant an extra ability. Well, I mean, I do want to rank up. Let's see, increases dodge chance by 15% for every hit received, or increases damage dealt to frontline targets. I'm digging it. Murder them, my dude. Alright, let's see. We want to take out the frontline targets, right? So let's get something that goes for the frontline guys. We don't really... I mean... It is a shield breaker. It's... big damage. It's big damage there, Paulie. It'll do a whole lot. It takes 2 stamina though there, Paulie. I'm not sure. You know what? Maybe we should just keep the car. Just keep the car, son. Ooh. Put you in there. Increase the chance the target. I'm good. At least for now. Okay. Let's see. How about you? Oh. Oh, I could have done their stuff as well. Okay. Whoa, maybe I should have given her her thing. Oops. Oh well. And that's him. The nurse allows you to monitor the health status of your party and the recovery rates. Any healing performed in the field is temporary and cannot carry over. Upon return, characters will be at the lowest health they had during the mission. Okay. To recover permanently, they will need to see the nurse. Although you can take wounded party members out from missions, the hideout is the only place where they will fully regenerate over time, or will regenerate over time. Okay. Visiting the priest allows you to see the list of all resistance fighters who have fallen in the service of the uprising. We are immortal. Provisioner serves as the trade hub for your hideout. It is through her that you are able to purchase your basic equipment, so it's the shop. The Informant. The Informant is your window into the status of the uprising. Here, you can monitor the overall condition of the uprising, as well as individual resistance pockets in specific districts. To keep the fight going, each day the uprising consumes war assets, and are provided by districts. Oh, that are provided by districts. By default, war assets are in deficit to represent the uprising gradually slowing down. Your task is to manage this deficit and prolong the uprising by keeping all districts' morale high. Okay. Reaching zero momentum means that the uprising is unable to go on and the game ends. Oh. Game over, man. Game over. The Archivist is the codex, where you probably want to look at stuff if you really want to, but I never look at codexes, man. I'm sorry. That's pretty much everyone. Yeah. Alright. Time to be a gamer. Excursions allow you to aid your districts by sending supplies to replenish a portion of their morale. Every time you're... Oh, okay. So if we need, morale. Long ammo. Let's see. I mean... we would get stuff. Mission selection. Every time you set out, the informant will mark it on your map with available missions. Each mission takes several days to complete, as your team cannot be everywhere at the same time. You can pick only one mission at a time, and your remaining missions will fail. So, pick your engagements wisely. Darn. Like, real life. Reviewing mission details allow you to check the stuff. Look at the stuff. Inspect it. That sure is a thing. That it is. Now see, this sounds all well and dandy, however, I forgot something very important. I need some stuff. Oh, I see. This screen allows you to buy and sell ammunition as well as field items such as flares, compasses, and badges. There we go. I was wondering. Alright, so we technically have 314, I guess, cans of ravioli. We could also buy weapons and repair things. Okay. Yeah, we're good then for now. Scale NXT. Alright, so we'll get a commendation and a damaged rifle. Wow. Alright, that's a 5-day mission, 3-day mission. Whoa. Even less work. Whoa. Whoa. Alright. The least amount of work possible. Darn right. Deployment. Before embarking on a mission, you need to choose your party composition with a specific limit. To pick a character, press the left mouse bezel on that. Now remember, proper positioning is crucial for your... Okay, so all that positioning is a thing that matters. Okay. Hey. Who's this? Huh. Oh, hop in there, Chief. What? Ah, you just click it. Okay. She's a real hero. The ladies take it because the men are weak. The ladies are far more resilient. All right, let's get this going. Bullets that way. Run. We gotta find those enemies. Oh! Bad guys. Everyone, be careful. Okay. Deploy. Restore one. Okay. I mean, hey. Show them what's what. That guy's got a lot. Let's get the little one, and we would also flank as well. Nice! Good crit! Well done, Renata. Ooh. I like that name, Renata. Renata Ratata. Oh, right. That's how this game works. You just get to go again. It's so dope. Alright. You? Here you go, bud. Wait. Yeah. Very good, sir. Ha! You fool! Okay. Finish him. Nice. She now has blood on her hands.
Yeah, no fact.
What? All right. You know what? Do it again. Nice. Don't touch it. Oh, uh-oh. Okay. You know what? You're hurting. Feel better. Thank you. Yes! Good dodge, my mans. What? He watched you do it and he learned. Uh-oh. Why didn't you learn from his learning? It's alright. We're all learning together. Oh god, she's bleeding. Alright. There you go.
Yeah.
Don't fall for it! Aw, you fool. Well, now you gotta show him that you're not a coward. Nice.
Spider.
Dude, he took that for her. What a hero, man. Mad respect. Alright, you. I definitely need you to put this on his hands again. Thank you. I want to make sure our boys feel better. Our boys in blue. Alright. You know. An activation from the enemy side. Oh, that's pretty helpful. Huh. What? Yo, guys, you want to see this sick play? Check this out. It's gonna be so dope. Oh god, they're bleeding. No one needs stamina right now. Never mind. Actually, no, we're fine. Okay. Target infantry targets, apply suppression. Move a target to the other row. Huh. Okay. Wait, that did nothing for me. Oh god. Oh god. That was horrible. It's fine. These things happen all the time, right? Right. Oh god, she's just getting gunned down. It's alright, we got plenty of band-aids. How do you do this to yourself? Okay. Check this. We're just gonna go ahead,
Damy frycą popali!
There, we're gonna have great stuff going on with our hands now, okay?
Schweine!
She is being pelted. This poor lady. Please help her. Thank you. What? Mr.?
Schweine!
Oh my gosh.
Trzeba to opatrzyć.
She is a small girl with a gun that could potentially blow up a car. I really need to do this next. I just need to try it, you know? Yeah, honestly, just keep doing the full auto. There you go. Nice and toasty. All right, this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna try this time. I don't know how it works, but we'll see. I don't know. Give it to him. Hey, I heard about some bullshit. Yeah, it did get rid of one of his things. Nice. Like the thing said. So technically, we should be able... Oh. Oh my god, she's just like that one character in, what was that RPG? What was that frickin' RPG I played? I played an RPG and it was great. Everyone laughed. I don't know. It was the one. No, it wasn't Fire Emblem. It was on the Switch, and it was cool. And Mana, no, he's dead. Octopath Traveler. That was it.
Tell me about it.
Tell you about it? All right, so it's like a pixel game. But then, like, it's not just pixels. There's, like, other stuff. I wanted to get that stuff hooked up. Oh, God. Oh, God. All right. Don't worry, everyone. I have a gun. And I know how to shoot them with it. Accuracy against targets behind cover. Heck you, Hitler wannabe.
Repariere!
Das wird dir Kraft geben.
Don't give him steroids. Do it again. Heck you, Hitler wannabe. I just killed your Hitler wannabe. How does that feel? Probably terrible. As it should. I can't kill that poor boy. His Hitler wannabe's gone. He's sad. That's okay. You lived with 1 health? Jesus! You're a wizard, Harry! Oh boy. I gotta say, I really like that I'm starting to use the ploy now. Ploy is really good. Boop, and then I'll kill their whole turn, and then now we get two goes for freezies, and he can use his clear out, which is so good. Yes, it is. Oh! Gee whiz. Alright. Alright, I'm digging it. There seems to be a solid amount of like synergizing you can do, at least from the base level of understanding of things. That's neat. Oh god, he's dead. Hey. Free stuff? Thanks. What's that? Free stuff? Thanks. Nice. Oh god! Nazis! I did not see that. Sorry, that was stupid. Alright, let's see. I don't like him. Him being alive makes me upset. There's just something about it, you know? It's frustrating. You hate to see it. Darn it. Like, I really want to kill him, but maybe I should just get these two instead for now. Like, I don't really even know what he can do. He's just an officer. I mean, if anything, he just thinks he's cool. Probably. Oh, this is a good idea. Yeah. Oh, we're not. Oh. I should see if I can position us better in a bit. That's okay. Alright. These are damage point. No! Well, you just made a grave mistake. So you're gonna watch your friends die. Jesus Christ. Dude. Oh, God! She needs to get healed immediately, though. Please don't kill her. Don't kill her. Thank you.
Trzeba to opatrzyć.
Okay. We're okay. For now. He's getting toasty over there. Finish them! Nice. Alright, mister, can you stop shooting my friend with freckles? Now they don't even get a turn, and we get 2 more. That's so good! Ah! I guess she could have healed herself, huh? Alright, so with this, she should just...
Trzeba to opatrzyć.
This is dope. I'm actually like... I'm getting into like the flow of it. You know how you gotta get into the flow of things before you can really like enjoy the thing? I'm starting to feel the flow. You know? Hey. That works. Two health, sir. Ha! You fool! And now we have all this ammo. No! Have a good sleep, Elsie. It's time to finish this. Wow. Y'all ready for this? I am. I need to start keeping mind of my actual ammo. Give me your stuff. Thank you. More free things. Nice. Hey. According to intel, there may be something going on in this area. Bleeding out. Your group is called to assist with the evacuation of a field hospital in one of the local churches. The word has gone out that the Nazis have discovered the hospital, and so, in advance of the unavoidable sweep, the hospital has to be relocated as quickly as possible. Time is running out, and establishing certain priorities may be crucial to the success of the effort. Whoa. Well, I do believe we should identify and secure the most crucial medical supplies first. No, we should care about the people. Focus on carrying out the beds of the heavily wounded. Send someone to look for... We are powerful! Oh, we get a sec... Okay, that's how this works. Okay. Alright. Neat. We are powerful! The hospital beds are cumbersome, and the wounded are many. Still, your group doesn't slow down or falter, and what little delay creeps in is quickly assailed by the physical exertions above the teammate in charge. It is a slog, but it pays off as you successfully manage to evacuate all of the bedridden patients. All of them? Nice. He did it. Good. Uh-oh, that's a frickin' building. Oh, that's another one. Nazis! Scouting team, witnessing increased enemy activities in the area. You move to... Oh, alright. It's just Nazis again. Silly billies, don't they ever learn? Oh, I never actually tried to see if I can move my dudes when I was out of combat, but that's okay. I do need to heal.
Trzeba to opatrzeć.
Here you go, pal. Wow. So no Blair Witch today? No. That was just something I was doing with Angel. I don't really even know what we're doing with that, to be wholly honest with you, buddy. Let's see here. What do I want to do? I guess I'm just gonna go ahead and shoot this man backwards. And now we can get him in a bit more of a cross. There you go, pal. And they don't get to go anymore now. And also, this. It doesn't get much better than where you left at. The beginning is the peak of the game, in my opinion. Blair Witch, that's what I figured too, honestly. That's why I'm not really excited to go back to it. I hear it's just kind of like, you know? Like, I'm not super in the mood for that type of game these days. First-person horror games are, I don't know, they're kind of drained on me. There's too many of them, I suppose.
Trzeba to opatrzeć.
Damn, sir. Holy hell. You wanna chill a little bit? I'm gonna give her this just so she can heal her again.
Trzeba to opatrzeć.
Oh, thank God, we even got a crit on the heal too? Dope. Alright. Problematic, boys. Oh my God, she is being assaulted so much. Leave her be! She is just a child with a bazooka. tell her. All right. Uh-oh. I should have given her stamina.